Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can recreate Lisa's Met Gala 2025 look and dress to impress without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can wear this hairstyle. Okay, and then you're going to go to this area and then we're going to wear this item. Okay, now let's change the toggle. I'm going to make it thick and then I'm going to change the toggle to the 2. Okay, and let's move to this area and wear this jacket or this suit, and then I'm going to change the pattern to this one. Oops, sorry, this one I mean. Okay, and I'm going to go to the necklace area. Oops, before it I'm going to go to this area and wear this item, and then I'm going to make it white. Okay, now let's move to the necklace area. Okay, and we're going to wear this necklace and change the toggle to 2. Okay, and I'm going to color the second selection with this color. Okay, and I'm going to grab this bag. Okay, and the last one, we're going to move to the dressing room and we're gonna wear the Sabrina Carpenter dress with this one. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the kiss and change the toggle to 2 and change the pattern, the same pattern with the suit. Okay, I'm going to color it black for the next selection, the second selection. Okay, and wait guys, I forgot something. I forgot to add shoe. Okay, let's go back to this shoe area and then we're going to wear this one. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.